Your neighborhood do-it-best store is your best source for friendly service, expert advice, and innovative products like these. When it comes to taming your yard, you want to make sure you make the right choice when it comes to power tools. I'm with Tony from Milwaukee Tool. Tell us about this new system.
Yeah, so this is the M18 fuel attachment system. We're introducing it for the first time here, and it's going to be coming to stores in February of 2019.
Why are you guys so excited about this, and who's it really aimed at?
So it can be aimed at anyone, from your professional landscaper all the way to your homeowner. This is we're groundbreaking technology within the battery space, and we've already got an outdoor power equipment line. This is an expansion on top of it.
So we start with the string trimmer, correct?
Yes, sir. So you'll buy into it as a string trimmer, and it actually is upgraded capability compared to the one that we have on the market today. So it spins faster, you're gonna have more power from that perspective, but once you buy into the string trimmer with attachment capability, you can add on things like a pole saw, edger, or hedge trimmer.
And then what's run time? What can I expect when I get out there in the yard? How much work am I going to be able to do with this?
So on the string trimmer, edger, and hedge trimmer, you can get up to an hour of run time per 9 amp hour battery. And then on the pole saw, you can do up to 150 cuts in 3-inch hardwood. So a tremendous amount of work on one single battery.
I'd probably be tired after just 100 cuts, so that's ample.
Yeah, the tool can probably run longer than you can.
All right, give us the name again.
The M18 fuel attachment system.
All right, that's from Milwaukee Tool. It's available at your neighborhood do-it-best. This is just a sampling of the more than 67,000 items available from your friendly neighborhood do-it-best store. Check them out today.